morning, my name is Blanca Teresa Cuellar. I study industrial engineering. I am from the course 2120321996. Conceptual map. Lack of information on the market and marketing channels. Companies in Colombia develop strategies to obtain that implement technology that contribute to the economic development of the country, to have control of the information through public and private institutions, thanks the state, and to be the control of the economy at the state level. It is divided into cause and consequence. 1. Maturity of the technology and boost operation. For this information to reach and use, it must be complete, accurate, timely, and truthful on commercial aspect, production and marketing cost and results, as well as the project. 2. Lack of skills. Here you must have trained personnel to develop strategies, obtaining meaningful that promoting continuous improvement and ensuring that the information reaches users in a way that they understand the importance and to promote use and innovation. Maturity of the technology. The necessary information must be provided to promote the use of technological information innovation, since us still do not have full knowledge of it. Therefore, it is necessary to provide information to get out of technological backwards and make use of technological innovation, making the tax to be carried out less complex. Business for business operation. This is due to the lack of investment by the state and or state entities, since there is a breach of the established rules and the lack of interest in technology. Yours seems the high expenditures of teach choose not to invest and stay with the tradition method and not innovation. The consequences are: 1. Lack of innovation. The lack of information is an obstacle that does not allow us to know the benefits and gains of this. 2. Lack of technology use. This use increase as they generate the need for chance and application of innovation. 3. Lack of technology participation. This is due to the lack of interest of the youth since they do not have the knowledge and capacity to apply technological innovation. Recommendation: 1. Implement systematic process that allow me to identify the object source of information. That extraction about the lack of information and to take the necessary measures to solve the current problem. 2. Design strategies to extend process that of grand value that help to support decision making to reduce the lack of information in technology periodically to personal to increase capacity, skills, and knowledge to develop strategies and provide solutions. Thank you.